everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple cake for Passover. This is a chocolate almond cake. You can substitute carob for the chocolate. They're always interchangeable in my recipes, and let me show you how to do it.
We're going to start out with 3 teaspoons of psyllium husk. This is whole husk. You could also substitute 3 tablespoons of ground flax or ground chia, and add 3/4 cup of water. And then we're just going to mix that together and let that sit for a few minutes to thicken. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of oil and 1/2 cup of coconut cream and 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix that all together until it's nice and well combined. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we're going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cup of tapioca flour, and 1/2 cup of cocoa or carob powder. And mix everything together until all of that is well combined. And then we're going to pour that into a 9-inch springform pan, which has been sprayed with oil and floured with almond flour. If you have a baking nail, definitely use it. If you don't worry about it. Make sure the batter is nice and even, and bake it at 350 degrees for 40 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Now we're going to invert it onto our serving dish. Remove the nail. And this part is optional. We're going to brush on 1/3 cup of strong coffee. So brush it on a little bit at a time and let it soak in, and then brush some more, and just keep going until all of the coffee has been used. And then once it's completely cooled, we're gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on top, and it's ready to serve.
Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you have a happy Passover, and please remember to like and subscribe, and tune in next time for some more recipes. I will see you next time.